Imagine buying a brand new car, expecting smooth rides and peace of mind, only to be met with persistent mechanical issues from the start. This was the reality for Alexander Caruncho, who purchased a Mazda sedan from Mazda Quezon Avenue. Right after driving off the lot, he noticed an unusual noise coming from the vehicle. Despite multiple trips back to the dealership and repeated repairs, the problem never went away. Mazda replaced the same part, the rack and pinion mechanism, several times, but the defect stubbornly remained. Frustrated and disappointed, Caruncho realized that the assurances he received were not being fulfilled, setting the stage for a legal battle over consumer rights and product warranties. After years of unsuccessful repairs and broken promises, Caruncho decided to take action. He filed a complaint before the Department of Trade and Industry, alleging that Mazda Quezon Avenue had violated the Consumer Act of the Philippines. The DTI adjudication officer reviewed the case and found Mazda liable for failing to correct the defect within the warranty period. This decision was not the end. Mazda appealed, but both the DTI Appeals Committee and the Court of Appeals affirmed the ruling. The case eventually reached the Supreme Court, highlighting the importance of consumer protection laws and the avenues available for consumers to seek justice when their rights are not respected. The Supreme Court ultimately upheld the decisions of the lower bodies, ruling that Mazda was indeed liable for the unresolved defect and had violated the Consumer Act. The court emphasized that suppliers must repair defects within the warranty period, and if they fail, consumers are entitled to remedies such as replacement or refund. Importantly, the court clarified that the 2-year period to file a case under the Consumer Act begins after the warranty period ends, not from the date of purchase or discovery of the defect. This landmark decision reinforces the rights of consumers and holds suppliers accountable, ensuring that buyers like Caruncho have meaningful protection and recourse under the law.